Okay, so today we're finally back in the market, right? So after I think Tuesday last week, I didn't place any trades. I was pretty much 0-3 up to that point, and I didn't feel like adding on to it. So Thursday when I didn't trade, the setup that I probably would have taken was actually a winning setup. But it is what it is. I made the decision to not place a trade that day. NFP Friday, which was the day after, obviously I didn't take another trade. So last week I ended 0-3, which kind of sucked, but it's a part of it. You're gonna go through that every now and then. So that was that, and then that kind of takes us to this week, and it's a simple 5 minute supply, right? So it's gold, 5 minute. We got a breaker structure right here. Not the best, honestly, right? But realistically, this is support right here, if I'm just being honest, right? So that's something to like keep your eyes on as you're trying to take this trade. So boom, price taps into the 5 minute demand, and it taps at 840. And there was no news today, right? There was no news today, so we didn't have to worry about any of that. We didn't have to wait till after 8:30 or whatever, even though we still ended up waiting. But boom, it taps at 840, and I take the breaker candle. I mean, boom, TP. So I take the breaker candle, and within two candles, it hit TP. I tried to leave a runner to 1 to 1.5, which I like, and obviously my runner got taken out at break even. The one thing I will say about this setup is that for us to win, we had to break two EMAs. So there was definitely some resistance, and then when you tie that into the fact that there kind of is a little demand. All right, so there's a demand right here, right? There's a demand right here coming off of the support area. Boom. And then it kind of taps again into this like LP, because it tapped here first, right? And then it kind of tapped that area again, that little zone. And if you noticed, like, even though there's no breaker structure right here, this is another supply that was created. The supply here actually did not hold, it got invalidated, and it did kind of like a liquidity grab. But that was another opportunity, I would say, to get into the trade, like for right here. Like this would be a nice place to get in for like some breakouts, right? But at this point, I was already done for the day. I took the trade on the personal account, uh, and that was pretty much it. I closed about 2/3 of it at 1 to 1, and then like the rest got taken out at break even. So that was pretty much all she wrote. You know, um, the little liquidity grab that happened right here. You could either take that as a liquidity grab or maybe the 13 EMA. Either way, money. You know what I'm saying? That's what I was expecting Price to do initially for my runner. But obviously, in this market, anything can happen. That was pretty much the day. Took the supply, hit 1 to 1, left the runner. Runner got taken out at the break even, and that was it. Didn't take another trade. We packed it up. So tomorrow I'm gonna be back in the market again, doing the same shit. Hopefully we can go on another winning streak. Like last week was crazy. Not to dwell on the past, but shit, I would like for all my trades this week. Obviously, I want to win all of them, but I'm trying to get runners, which might actually cause me to not get full 1 to 1s like today. Obviously, I didn't get a full 1 to 1, but I'm trying to leave runners this week, man. So we're gonna see what happens, right? There wasn't any, as far as there wasn't any high time frame confluence. Not really. I mean, the EMAs still look pretty good. This right here invalidated, yeah, but the EMAs look pretty good on the 15 minute. Uh, it's flat on the 1 hour, which probably didn't help us as far as leaving this runner. But yeah, it was just a simple 5 minute supply. that I was able to take advantage of, and didn't get the runner, but ultimately we got a 1-1, which is all that matters. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got. You know, I'm not gonna drag it out. We're gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna see what these markets got for us. Until then, I'm gonna get the fuck up out of here and I'm gonna see y'all soon. So, peace.